Get me in trouble.
I'm not going to get you in trouble. There's nothing he could do. What's he going to do? Look at this cop, guys. He's got
there's another cop right here, man.
Yeah?
He called for backup because your ass is in here. Your ass is over here.
Well, he ain't pulling me over. There's nothing illegal.
But there is. He's pulling up right behind us.
Okay,
Go
and?
behind the fucking car and just fucking leave.
I can't. Emily needs me.
It's all because of you.
No, it ain't.
This is all because of you.
No, I requested a sergeant.
Oh, you got one. Have a seat in your truck, please.
I can't. I was in a car accident, so I have to stand up at all times because of my
How do you
back.
drive a vehicle if you have to stand up? Have a seat in the truck.
Because my back will lock up. Otherwise, then you have to get paramedics.
Kyle, get in the fucking
Yeah.
car.
I will come to the back.
Thank you.
But I was in an accident.
Do you have any weapons in?
No, but I'm not being pulled over, so you have no right to ask me that.
Well, you don't have a plate and you're on a public roadway, so...
It don't matter. I just bought this truck, so.
Yeah, we can get to that, but you still don't have a plate. so
Okay,
that's
but
not-
I'm not being pulled over.
Take your
She
hands
is.
out of
so.
your traffic.
Well, I'm not being pulled over, so.
No weapons?
No.
You mind if I check?
No, you're not checking me.
Okay.
I'm not being pulled over, so.
Okay. Well, yes, you're being detained at this point.
Well, for what crime?
It's not a
What?
crime.
Number
It's
one.
a
Hold on,
traffic
whoa.
offense.
Hang on, you pulled up
Traffic
on my traffic
offense.
stop.
Yep.
Okay, yes, and she called me here,
Okay, well,
Doesn't
I
matter.
don't know.
You're still on a roadway
so
with no plate.
this ain't a road.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
Yes,
not.
it is.
From that end there, and I'm going to tell you this because I went to law
You
school.
shake your finger at me again.
I'm
This
not.
is going to
I'm
escalate. You
pointing.
don't need to do that.
Okay.
You don't need to do
From
that.
from that end of that roadway back is
Okay,
private
hang on.
property.
Let me tell you something. I work these roads a heck of a long you have, and this is not a private road.
According
it's
to
not.
the maps I've
I'm
seen,
gonna,
yes.
Okay, here, I'm going to show you exactly what's going to happen.
And for one, hold on,
Listen,
hold on.
man.
Can I say something first? You cannot search that vehicle.
Hey, pay attention, Kyle.
You can, and for one, you cannot talk to me
tailgate down, have a
because
seat.
you cannot
Have a
talk to.
seat.
Okay,
Have a seat.
I will, but
Pop your tailgate down, have a seat.
I'm going to sit right here. But I'm going to tell you this: you are not allowed to talk to me right now because of the fact of it is I have a complaint against you of the Attorney General's office, and you cannot talk to me, so you have to step away
Guess
from
what?
me.
I'm talking to you.
Well, and
Because guess what? You're on my roadway. You pulled up on my traffic stop.
Okay.
So you invited yourself to my party.
but the problem is there is a complaint against you
Get your
through the
finger out of my
attorney.
face.
Okay, I'm not doing nothing. It's not in your face.
I'm gonna
Okay.
okay, hey, listen to me. I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen to you in 2 seconds. Ma'am, step on the top.
But like I was explaining to him, Sarge, okay? He is not allowed to talk to me, okay? He has a complaint to the Attorney General's office, okay?
Doesn't stop him from doing his job.
It does because the Attorney General even called the sheriff himself and said he is not allowed to, because he gave me a ticket, okay, for video recording, okay, broke my First Amendment rights, so therefore it is because he's not supposed to be within, what, 300-400 feet of me? Okay, and I have the paperwork at home.
Personal protection order out there. I guarantee that.
It's through the Attorney General's. I have it at home.
You'll have to pick that up with the Attorney General.
And I have, and I'm gonna let him know that he's contacted me because he's not even
Well, you came here.
for her.
Yeah, but he's doing his job.
Okay, but shining the light in my face when I'm video recording that's legal and blinding me, what?
How is that illegal?
It said legal.
Oh, yeah.
I
It
said
is.
video recording when he's shining the light in my face, blinding me from doing my job that I get paid for.
What job are you doing?
I'm a YouTube person. I get paid for putting you guys on the internet.
Okay.
And for another one, I just bought the truck. I have a bill of sales, okay?
But I see that.
Huh?
I'm gonna need.
It's
to
at
see
home. I don't carry it on me, and I have
That. You
insurance
have
too.
to have it on you to show you that this vehicle was just purchased.
Okay?
And you only have the right to drive it from the point of purchase to your residence, or to the Secretary of State, which is not open right now.
Yeah,
So,
and
to
I
your
have an
home.
appointment in December.
But
but-
you can't drive the vehicle.
Well, it's
Legal.
I've already dealt with this before. I went to court and just beat my case because an officer just told me that, and they were wrong. He just got suspended from APD.
Okay, but the fact that it doesn't change the law. The law says that's what you have to
And
do.
the judge, and I'm not bullshitting you. Hold
If
on.
a judge finds otherwise, but that doesn't
That's
change
what the
we
judge
enforce.
told me, okay? And I'm
That's great.
telling you, Judge Shadler, okay? She told me, as long as I have the title,
Stay there.
the bill of sales, and the insurance. Tony, what are you moving around for?
Stay in the vehicle.
Kyle,
What?
Stay in the vehicle.
you need to stop.
I'm not. I'm just talking to him. I'm not being. I will. Tony, go. Get.
The more you move around in here, the more you make disturbance. You don't know what's in the vehicle. Okay? I know you don't, but I don't know what's in the vehicle. Okay?
But like I was explaining to you, okay? I've already went to court for this, okay? I just beat my trial yesterday. Or not yesterday, yesterday, okay? For this, okay? The judge even deemed it that as long as I buy a vehicle, I have the insurance on it, the title is at my house, okay? And I have everything at my house to prove.
Okay.
Okay, if I have
you're driving a vehicle that
I
doesn't have
understand.
that information.
Okay, but I have the insurance.
Which is what you're required.
I have the insurance.
Okay. Well, then you wouldn't get a no insurance ticket.
But I'm saying,
But you could get a no registration ticket. I'm not saying I'm doing that.
and I
but
beat
you're
a no
asking what right we
registration
have to
already.
Stop you?
Yes.
That's
but,
all right.
Okay, but I've already beat a regregistration ticket.
That doesn't mean anything.
Yes, it does.
You
'Cause-
beat one doesn't mean you still aren't violating.
Yes, I've already did because I have an appointment. And hold on. Now this is where I'm gonna tell you, Sarge, how I'm gonna stump you, right? Under subsection 737848 states, as long as I have an appointment with the DMV, there's not shit you can do, and I'm a paralegal, so you can tell me all you want. I went to prison and went for law school, so I know. So you could sit here and
Prison
bullshit.
lawyer.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I know because I went to college in there to get my credentials.
What did you go to prison for?
Huh? That's none of your business. If you want to know, you can find out easy, but I'm not giving you my information.
Okay.
But I'm going to tell you this. What you guys are doing right now, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to tell you, okay, your job, yes, you are right. But him, as far as I know, he's supposed to have been suspended because of the attorney. Hold
He's
on.
not.
Let me explain myself, will you, instead
You
of talking?
can all you want. The fact, Kyle, is he's not suspended. Or he
He's
wouldn't be out here
supposed to been already, but
Okay,
but
but
your
he's
boss did not want to take the chance to suspend him from the attorney general. The attorney general was supposed to suspend him
But
from
he's-
violating my United States constitutional right.
But Kyle, he's not.
I know, and I got to go back to court
Then do that.
I got to go back to court to the Supreme Court and find him guilty of violating my First Amendment right, which he did, and I have it all out over YouTube. So he's fucked anyways.
Okay. Well, if that's what turns out, that's what turns out. But what we're worried about is right here and right now.
But, and the thing is, I got here, my sister called me and said she's been pulled over, okay, to come because she didn't know if her car was being towed or not, okay? According to what I was told.
Okay. Just here because I gotta go figure out this. She's so interested. She's saying, okay.
But that's what I'm saying, okay? So that's what the issue is. I was called here, okay?
By her?
Yes, I didn't just show up. Otherwise, I would be.
Well, we don't know that, do we?
And I told
We just
him
know
that.
people pull up in a car.
And I know.
Yeah, one officer
Okay.
and multiple people.
Sarge, I even got out.
Yep.
Stay there for me.
Facebook, make sure he's found because I watched him come from the public road.
For one, I'm not being pulled over.
Yes, you are. Because this is a roadway.
This is not a roadway.
Then you can fight that in court, but this is a roadway. This is part of Ogden County.
This is. You're crazy. But I'm gonna tell you this. He cannot, and I'm gonna tell you this. What he just did is illegal. I'm telling you because I'm talking
what
to you.
did he
Hold
do
on,
is illegal?
hold on. I'm talking to you. He's on another traffic stop with another car.
Right.
Okay. I'm talking to you. Okay. He cannot request for you to ask for my information. He has to do that. If
He didn't do that.
Yes, he did.
No, he just asked for
no,
another car, which
no,
is very
no,
common for-
he just sat right there. I got it all on video. You can lie to me all you want. But he said, Sarge, I need his information.
He asked Central for another car.
Yes. And
sent
then
me?
he just said a minute ago, Sarge, can you get his information? Exactly what he just said.
Oh, which he could do.
No, that's illegal. Because I'm talking to you. You could argue with me. All I just said. Under the law, he can't. Because I'm talking, you are the initiating officer that came to me, okay? Am I right or wrong?
that's correct.
Okay, you pulled behind me with your lights. He is in that traffic stop, okay? Okay, you said I'm being detained. Okay, therefore you said I wasn't
the
being
traffic
pulled
stop
over.
is.
Okay, but the thing is, what? You know, a traffic stop's different because I'd be in my car right now. I'm out of my
That
car.
was your choice.
Yes, because of my back. Okay?
So what are you arguing?
I'm not. I'm saying I asked you if I was being pulled over and you told me no. Exactly what you came up and
That's
told
not
me.
what I said.
Yes. I have it all on video.
Okay.
And you told, and I said, am I
So
being
do
pulled? Yes.
You forget we're both videotaping.
I understand that. But I asked you if I'm being pulled over, and you said, no, I'm not. But you're being detained. Exactly what
that's
you
what I
said.
said. I said,
yes.
you're being detained.
Yes. But you, and I asked you, am I being pulled over? You said, no, you're being detained. Exactly what you said.
Yeah, until I figure out that you're not a threat to my officer.
Okay,
Why
Aaron?
is that a problem, Kyle?
It's not.
If that was you, wouldn't you want to be protected?
Not really.
He's one guy.
I understand
There's
that.
4 people here.
But I'm going to tell you this. If I'm an officer like you guys,
Yeah.
I know how to look for my surroundings, okay? I know how to defend myself, okay?
So
I haven't,
do
hold
we,
on,
but
hold
that
on.
doesn't mean we
Hold
want
on.
to do that, Kyle.
Can I speak
You've
first,
done nothing but
please?
talk.
Okay, but I don't like to be interrupted.
I
Okay.
don't like hands waving in my face, but you've done that a dozen times,
Okay,
and
I'm
I've
sorry.
asked you to stop, and
I'm
you
sorry.
continue to do
But
it.
can I please finish what I was saying?
Sure.
And I'm trying to be courteous and cooperative with you, okay? I'm trying my best, okay? Because yes, I'm all pissed off right now. I get that
But
I'm
you
pissed
got
off.
yourself into that situation, Kyle.
Okay, I understand that, okay? But the problem is, what right does it have for him to ask you to get my information when I'm not? When you told me I'm
Because he
not.
watched you operate on the roadway.
Okay, I
He
understand
can make
that.
more than one stop.
But how did he watch me when he's at his computer?
Because he sees cars. I'm watching cars go by. He watches a car pull in. Remember what you said about us knowing our surroundings?
Yes.
That's exactly what he
But
did.
how? When the way I came from was that way, right? When I pulled in, I stopped before I pulled in. Okay, because there was a car
what's
coming.
the argument?
The argument, I was just wondering how he knew I was operating when he's on his computer and not paying attention completely, because I seen him.
Who else was operating?
Huh? Me, I was operating. But I'm just saying, I was just saying,
He can-
you know.
Yeah, he discerned that by
I know.
looking, and you pulled up and you got out of the vehicle.
Okay, yes, I
From the
got up,
driver's
yes. Because I can't sit for long periods of
Okay.
time because of my accident,
So we
sir.
both agree that you're driving.
Yes,
He saw you.
yes.
Okay.
But, like I'm going to tell you, okay, I understand, yes, I understand I've been an asshole. I can tell you that. I've been an asshole, okay?
I'm not saying you're an asshole, Kyle, or being an asshole.
Yeah.
I'm saying you're making our job harder and more
So-
difficult, and also less safe. I know
Okay.
of 3 officers involved in something that was a simple traffic stop.
Yes, that my sister called me because
she call?
because she said she didn't know if her car was getting towed or not.
Okay.
Exactly what she said. She said, "Can you come out here and help me and just sit here to make sure my car don't get towed in case I have to put things in the truck?" And that's what I did.
Okay.
Okay, and that's exactly what she called me to do. So that's why I came out here.
Okay.
Okay, and
Wait, so she's out here alone. Hold on, let me see if I get this right.
Mhm.
She's out here actually with one other person.
yes,
And she felt uncomfortable. She also felt that she might need you out here.
to get some of her stuff because she lives in Toledo, I
So-
believe.
That makes sense, right?
To me, yes.
Okay.
Because
So-
I can haul her stuff. That's what I'm
Understand.
saying.
That's exactly what that officer did right there.
Okay.
It's the exact same thing.
Yes.
Uncomfortable, other people here, and another car. So I show up.
Yes.
got a
Because I
vehicle
requested
on
a
the roadway
sergeant.
with no plates. Okay?
Okay.
That now lets me have the authority to turn this into a traffic stop.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
But have you read the exemption laws right now for that? Okay. And
Under
what's
the-
it say?
Under what?
I'd have to go back and look. But
You're talking about under the executive order?
yes, I have
That
to go back and
Michigan
look because
Supreme Court
there's a
just
lot.
found unconstitutional?
Yes.
So there's a lot of gray area,
Yes.
right
Yes.
here, right now. Right?
Yes, I have to go back
so
and look,
You don't
but-
really want to fight that because even the courts right now are having a hard time figuring out what is and what isn't holding right now.
Yes, but I'm just saying, you see a lot of people, and correct me if I'm wrong, you see a lot of people drive around with no plates. Am I right or wrong?
Absolutely.
Okay, and I guarantee you, 9 out of them 10 people I have not seen get pulled over for no plate. I guarantee you.
Well, it is a question of whether they do or don't.
I know. Okay,
It's
but
that
here,
we can't.
yes, here's my question to you. Do you want my license or no? Am I getting a ticket or what?
Yes, I'm going to get your traffic information for
Okay.
a stop.
Okay,
Okay. And that'll be the end of it.
Okay.
I wouldn't issue a ticket for that.
Okay.
Because our prosecutor is authorized or
Uh-huh.
has suggested that we don't write tickets for that because of what's going on with
Uh-huh.
COVID and the executive
Okay.
orders. Because of that gray area I spoke about.
Uh-huh.
That doesn't change that we have the right to make
Yeah.
the stop.
yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
So I'm telling you, wouldn't write the ticket.
Okay. Well, I was just wondering because, like I said, I got one for that and one for no insurance, and then my car got impounded. Okay, and I'm telling you this, and I bought both of them and won both of them just yesterday. Okay, which I still might have the case open because they haven't closed it yet, even if I won it because I'm still paying on the shit, so it's still open. But the whole issue is, I'm just saying, I've won the case, and that's what the judge told me, that she didn't feel that it was, right for him to write me no plate ticket, but she got that, about the no insurance, but I had it on my phone the whole entire time, but my phone died, you know what I mean? And don't get me wrong, I don't have the paper yet. I'm getting it in the mail. It's because of this COVID shit right now, but I have it on my phone. I have to go on my pictures and look. But I'm just letting you know. Do you want my license,
Yeah,
or
I'm
I
gonna
can
need
tell,
that
or
from
do
you.
you want me to tell you my information?
Do you not have your license?
Oh, I have my license.
I prefer that so I can see that you have an operator's license and you're driving with one.
If I can get it out. Just for
You
the
do
re-
have proof of insurance for the vehicle.
Yes,
correct?
on my phone.
We'll need to see that also. Please.
And for the record, before I do that, real quick, can you state your name and badge number, please?
Sergeant A. Purdue, 9099.
Thank you. Okay, give me just a minute.